Papit ta.
Assalamualaikum, assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum ta.
Bob and Tom, what's going on right now?
It's going wild, man.
What's going on? What's going on?
Marshals, pa-ordo na lang. Duwagan natin. Yung ito sa ordo sa tape. Marshal, at this time.
Sinap!
Popping up. Chilling right now, Hop. Chilling. Fuck them pigs, bye. Fuck them swine, bye. Ayoko ng baboy. Ayokong bumoto ng baboy. What's poppin', peas?
Yo, what's up? What's going on with the pork barrel situation, Tom?
It's getting crazier and crazier by the second, bye. It's a big illusion, bye.
So what you saying? Ayoko ng baboy? That's what you saying?
Something like that. Hip Hop 22 is here.
What's up, Apex? How you doing?
It's all a facade, bye.
What does Venezuela think about the pork barrel?
Ilusyon lang. Everything. At mas marami pa ang ilusyon na magbubulga.
Bilis, tara, Ira.
Sige na, selfie. Kuya, pa-selfie.
Hey, isa lang. Pumayag naman.
Oh, no.
Pumayag naman. Hello, man.
Stop it, Tom.
Okay lang, okay na.
How you doing?
Isa lang.
What you think about the pork barrel situation, Tom? So what does that mean? Ayoko ng baboy? That's what that means?
Thank you.
Papunta, ayoko ng baboy.
Ayoko ng baboy, pai. I don't eat pork anymore, pai. I'm a beef guy. Thank you.
Baboy, Apex, let me get it. Ayoko ng baboy.
Ayoko ng pork, ayoko ng baboy. Lalo na yung taba.
You say Apex, let me get it. Ayoko ng baboy.
Ayoko ng baboy. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Ayoko ng baboy.
Papunta, let me get it. Ayoko ng baboy, Tom.
Ayoko ng baboy.
Yeah. Yeah. Papunta.